Welcome to Spotlight on Connected to India. My name is Himanshu Verma. I'm absolutely delighted to welcome the lovely Tanya Maniktala, who will be seen in the upcoming web series Chutzpah on Sony Live. Tanya, thank you very much for speaking to us and welcome to Spotlight.
Thank you so much for having me, Himanshu.
Tanya, from a sweet, simple, adorable Lata in The Suitable Boy, you seem to have changed gears completely for Chutzpah. Please tell us about your role.
Yes, well, I mean, it's a 180 shift from Lata to Shikha, and I am very, very excited about it. So Shikha's character is actually also a very sweet girl, but you will see her because she's set in today's day and age, you'll see her in a very different light, and you'll see her with this sort of, different flavor, who's in this long distance relationship with her boyfriend, and the things that they do to make it work. So there is a bit of slice of life to it, but also the spice of the internet that has been added to all of our relationships now. So that is what Shikha and her relationship is like.
Apparently, Chutzpah was shot with very little physical interaction between various actors. You had to shoot your respective parts and put it all together. So how did you bring about the chemistry which emerges from the physicality of interactions?
Yes, it was actually, and it was quite a challenge, which is also one of the reasons why I wanted to do this the show, because it put me in a very different headspace. I, as an actor, depend a lot on my co-actor's energy and the physicality of it, as you said, because that is how you sort of build chemistry. When you vibe with the other person, you sort of get to know how they are, and just if our energies are aligning with each other's. We did not have that choice here. So Varun and I would do Zoom readings with our director Simar sir and our showrunner Mrig sir, and we would sort of build off of whatever we could get in those virtual sessions. After every reading, we'd ask can we get the recordings and see where we are doing, what we are doing with the other person. So actually initially I thought that maybe Varun might be cueing me from somewhere. Like if his part is being shot earlier on, I'd get to see that and I can react accordingly. But that was not the case. So we had our director Simar so only cueing all of us, and I think as an actor, it really did help me tap into my potential of imagination and let that sort of play. And I had to go with my gut and trust the director that okay, whatever he says is it, and I have to put my faith in him. So it was quite an interesting challenge, and I think we did what we could, and I think we did something quite interesting out of it.
Great, so everybody's happy that irrespective of distance challenges, everything turned out really well.
Yeah, more than happy. I couldn't have imagined it like that, yet it was very seamless, all of the process of shooting. And since it was COVID, it was also a very responsible decision to shoot it that way instead of risking a lot of people and lives. It was a responsible thing to do, and it made for an interesting chapter in my life. So I have to thank this project for all of that.
Did you always want to become an actor? How did you get your first break?
No, I had imagined quite a different life for myself. I actually wanted to get into writing, and I was working as a copywriter who was headed for her master's in Melbourne. But
okay.
Life had different things planned for me, and here I am. So actually I did theatre when I was in college, and so one of my theatre batchmates, he started working as a casting director when I started working as a copywriter, that is right after I graduated. And he showed my pictures to his senior casting associates, and they were at the time casting for Suitable Boy. But before that, I did a web series when I was still in college, and it was called Flames. But it was a very simple, sweet love story, which was for YouTube. And after that, I did not think much of it, and copywriting it was. And till the time he actually called me and asked me to come in for the audition, and I went into audition. I met Dilip sir, and things took a turn from there.
Well, in Suitable Boy, you worked with who we in Connected to India have started claiming as an actor from Singapore, Vivek Gomber. How was your interactions with him? How was the experience of working with him?
Amazing! Gomber plays my older brother in Suitable Boy, and I think he's just so much fun. He's one of the funniest people I've met, and I actually have shared this that we had an incredible cast in A Suitable Boy, but the most fun I had ever shooting with somebody was Gombal, because he is so different from his character, and Arun
Yes.
and Gombal, it just is exactly, and just seeing that stark contrast, I would laugh, I would enjoy it so thoroughly. So he's incredible.
Right, Tanya. So that brings us to the last part of this interview, which is a rapid fire 5 questions. Here is the first question for you. One word to describe your character.
Passionate.
Did you know what chutzpah meant before you were cast in the show?
No, and for the longest time I was pronouncing it incorrectly.
Which language is the word chutzpah from?
Hebrew.
Names of 3 influencers in social media you follow yourself.
Influencers / actors: Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, and Kusha Kapila.
One word to describe the reaction of your parents when they will see you in chutzpah.
Excited, petrified.
Thank you, Tanya. You did very well. We wish you all the best for chutzpah and a great career. Thank you for speaking to Connected to India.
Thank you so much, Himanshu. Thank you.
If you liked the interview, please press the like button. Definitely share the interview with your friends and family. And subscribe to Connected to India's YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.